This is the 2023 Polestar 2 dual motor with all possible options, including Plus Package, Pilot Package, and ventilated Nappa Leather. The EPA range on this is 260 miles. Alright, starting things off, let's take a look under the hood. You have your charging cable. Oops. Heated seats in the back. Moving on to the front. Look at that cool design on the seats. I'll show you guys the camera. 360. Harman Kardon sound system. There's your wireless phone charger. USB Type-C. Both sides. Alright, you guys, that is our 2023 Polestar 2 dual motor with all possible options, including the Plus Package, Pilot Package, and the ventilated Nappa Leather.